YouTube, my name is Naomi Mavu and welcome to another episode of IB Master. The topic that I was requested to do is how to use a distance formula. A lot of us have issues using the distance formula because we don't know exactly what to plug in where and it's very confusing. Therefore today I'm here to try to explain it to you in the simplest way that I can, and I will try my best to make sure that at the end of this video you guys understand very well how to use a distance formula. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys an example, and I'm going to use 2 points. So one of the points is going to be 5, 2, and one of the points is going to be 5, 3. And here we're given the distance formula. D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's identify the points and let's identify what variables they correspond to. So the first point I gave to you guys was 5, 2. In this case, x will be 5 and y will be 2. And since this is the first point, the 5 will be x1 and the 2 will be the y1. The second point is 5, 3. And 5 is the x and 3 is the y. Therefore, 5 will be x2 and the y1 or the y2 will be 3. Okay, so we will plug these variables into the equation. And when you plug these variables into the equation, you're going to subtract your x1, which is 5, from your x2, which is also 5. And you're going to square that. And 0 squared is just 0. Then you're going to add your y2 minus y1 squared. Your y2 was 3 and your y1 was 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and you square that. That is also 1. Then we take 0 plus 1, which is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, your distance will be 1. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video and that this really helped. And one hint or one suggestion is that you just take your variables and plug it into your equation before you actually start solving. And make sure you don't forget to put your correct signs. And don't forget that a plus and a minus make a minus and a minus make a positive, and a positive and a positive make a positive as well. Sorry, a negative and a negative make a negative. Thank you and have a nice night.